Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to start a video call in Messenger. If you ever need to have a video chat with your friends or colleagues, this guide is for you. To get started, make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your phone. If you don't have it already, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, and then tap on Install. Once it's done, tap on Open to start the app. Once you're in the app, sign in like you usually would. Once you're signed in, tap on a chat to open it. To start a video call, you'll need to follow these simple steps. 1. Tap on the video camera icon from the top right corner of the chat screen. This will start a video call with the person you're chatting with. 2. Messenger will ask for permission to access your camera, microphone, and other requirements. Tap on Allow to give Messenger access to what it needs. 3. Once you've given Messenger permission, the video call will start. You'll be able to see and hear the other person, and they'll be able to see and hear you. 4. During the call, you can use the buttons at the bottom of the screen to turn your camera on and off, mute and unmute your microphone, and switch to the rear-facing camera if you need to show something to the other person. Starting a video call in Messenger is a great way to stay connected with your friends and colleagues. Whether you're catching up with friends, having a virtual meeting with colleagues, or just saying hello to family members, Messenger makes it easy to have face-to-face conversations anytime, anywhere. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.